Welcome to our channel. If you've lost work due to a disaster and need to apply for disaster unemployment assistance from your state labor department, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Verify that your state has been declared a federal disaster area by FEMA, which makes disaster unemployment assistance available to affected workers. Step 2. Confirm your eligibility. DUA is available to individuals who don't qualify for regular unemployment benefits and whose work or self-employment was lost or interrupted due to the disaster. Step 3. Visit your state's unemployment insurance website or the disaster assistance portal specifically set up for the declared disaster in your area. Step 4. Gather necessary documentation, including proof of employment or self-employment before the disaster, such as pay stubs, tax returns, business records, or employer contact information. Step 5. Complete the DUA application form with accurate information about your work history, how the disaster affected your employment, and your current contact information. Step 6. Provide documentation showing how the disaster directly caused your unemployment, such as photos of damaged workplace, employer statements, or evidence of business closure. Step 7. Submit your application within the deadline, which is typically 30 days from the date the disaster was declared or the date DUA was announced in your state. Step 8. File weekly or bi-weekly claims as required by your state to continue receiving benefits. Keep documentation of your job search efforts and any disaster recovery activities that may affect your availability for work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.